is Fernando.
And this is Katya.
We wanted to make this quick video for you. We're going to tour a newer construction home in the Mcallister Landing in Wintergarden. You're about 2.6 miles to downtown and about 8-minute drive.
And this home has 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's about 4,200 square feet, and it's built in 2019. And the listing price is at $720,000.
All right, let us know what you think of the video and have a good day. All right, here we are. We're gonna tour this beautiful home, but I'm gonna show you really quick around the community.
Okay. So you almost have a 1/4 acre lot that this house sits on. You have 0.20 acres. And as you can see, there's some custom touches to this home.
You have a very nice curb appeal, nice stone.
Nice landscaping. And the cool feature is everything in this home is going to have tall ceilings. Okay, so let's head into the house. As soon as you enter, you have a very, very tall ceiling. On your left-hand side is the formal dining, which has carpet, as well as across is going to be the formal living on the right-hand side, and it has carpet as well. Moving forward, storage closet was to the right, and you are greeted right with this big open floor plan concept with the kitchen and the informal living room in your same vicinity of space. Kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances.
All right, we're gonna head towards the back where the other bedrooms are.
This is in your right back corner. Now this is actually a bonus room. It could serve as a bedroom, but it does have a lot of space to make it a large office, maybe even a man cave, you know. There is a bathroom right next to it though. Full bathroom.
Walk-in shower. Right across from the bathroom, you have a full bedroom in here with the walk-in closet. And this one's facing the street. Okay. Pretty spacious.
Actually has a pretty large walk-in closet as well in the corner. Okay, so in between these 2 rooms is going to be the garage right here. It is a 2-car garage.
Two-car garage, and you have more space over here. You can even park another car, and you have 2 brand new water heaters in there. All right.
Okay. Now all the other bedrooms are going to be upstairs, so we're going to head towards that way. Okay, we'll see you upstairs.
All right, we'll see you up there. All right, so here we are upstairs.
And as soon as you come up, you're greeted with the 2nd bedroom with another walk-in closet. That window faces the neighborhood street as well. Now coming out of that bedroom, here is the full bath that these 2 bedrooms next to each other will share. Nice sized bathroom. And then this would be the 3rd bedroom right here. And that window is going to be a view of the backyard. Pretty identical in size, the bedrooms. Now walking through the loft, this is huge. I mean, this is another living room here. You even have a storage closet right in the back there. is just another storage closet I want to point out to you. And here we have the 4th bedroom here.
This one's a little larger than the other ones that we just viewed. Let me show you from this angle. Walk-in closet as well.
And then here is the full bathroom that they share, the 4th and 5th bedroom.
And we have the other bedroom across from it. Walk-in closet.
And now for the best part, we're gonna head towards the master bedroom. In this hallway here to the left would be your washer and dryer room. And that's gonna be next to the master bedroom. Have a nice large open space.
Go from this angle.
In those windows you get a view of the backyard and side yard. And here is the master bathroom.
You have a nice soaker tub.
You have 2 sinks in opposite corners. And then a very large walk-in closet. Okay, so that wraps up the entire home. So we're gonna head towards the backyard to give you a better view of what's back there.
All right, we're gonna head towards the backyard right now.
Now, as soon as you come to the back, as you notice, you have no rear neighbors. And right back there is actually some preservation because it will not be able to be built upon, since northwest, which I'll just show you in a second, is Lake Apopka. You can kind of see it in the back there. It's one of the largest lakes we have in Central Florida. And you have some walking trails there as well. But that is the really cool feature about this home. Okay, so here are some aerial shots of the Mcallister Landing's community. Moving on to the second home, this one is listed at $699,000 and was built in 2019.
All right, we're gonna start the tour. I'm gonna show you around the community really quick.
We are in the whole island community of Oakland, Florida. This is another newer developed community in this area. They're still under construction actually. What's shown here in the back there. So this lovely home has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's about 3,700 square feet. As soon as you enter, on the left-hand side, you're greeted with the formal dining room. You have ceramic tile all throughout the first floor, and walking in, you're greeted with this custom kitchen with quartz countertops, all stainless steel appliances, dual oven even, and gas burner cooktop in there.
Here we have a pantry area. And you also have access to come from the dining area to the kitchen.
And in this back corner, this can be a little breakfast or coffee station. And this is just a storage closet under the stairs. And now you're greeted into the living room space. Very open floor plan. So now we're going to head towards the first bedroom. In this back corner, this could be like a guest bedroom, even an office, and it has a full bath right next to it. And right here is the full bath. You also have access to the backyard right here, but we'll show you that at the end of the video. Okay, now moving on. Now we're going to show you the garage, which is right here on the right-hand side. You actually have a nice little space here. That can even be a little desk area. And this is just a storage closet to my left. And here you have a huge 2-car garage. Security system letting us know the garage door is open.
This is kind of like the same concept as the other house we just came from. It has another space back here. You can do another car or have more storage.
Okay, so now we're going to head towards the rest of the home, which will be upstairs.
All right, we will see you up there. All right, so we're here on the second floor.
And as soon as you come up, on the right-hand side is the master bedroom. You have double doors and tray ceilings. Nice tall ceilings as well.
I'm gonna show you a shot from this angle.
And there's the master bathroom. You have quartz countertops as well, and a dual vanity, dual sink. Huge walk-in shower. And huge walk-in closet as well. So now we're gonna head towards the other bedrooms. Right next to the master is the other bedroom here. This has been painted to the owner's liking or the seller. Little walk-in closet in the corner as well. And in here would be the HVAC. That's an HVAC closet. And here is the full bath. You have dual sinks in the full bath. And tiling as well in there. Now in this back corner is the other bedroom. Has a walk-in closet as well. You also have the washer and dryer room up here, but this is the general loft that we see. Here is the washer and dryer room. And as you can see, they also put some custom paneling here. Really nice touches, could serve as another living room. So this is the last bedroom of the home, and it has a full bath in the corner as well. So that was the entire home. Now we're going to show you the backyard. Okay, so coming from the breakfast den area of the kitchen, you are greeted into the backyard patio space. It's fully fenced in, and as you can see, you can have the option to put in vinyl fencing if you would like to change it to your preference. Have a good sized lot. It's about 0.14 acres.